Welcome to Kumar Tech Tunes channel. In this section, we are going to discuss about how to create database, how to delete database, and how to rename database. So that first open SSMS. Just once click on it. Provide user ID and password, then connect. Once after connecting to database server, if you see here, there is no databases. To create database, we have two ways. One is using GUI mode, we can create database, and other way is using commands. So first I am showing by using GUI method. So how to create using GUI method is right click on database, click on new database. Here we have to give our database name. I am giving my database name as sample test. I am giving my database name. So this database will be having two files. One is MDF file, one is LDF file. MDF file means master data file, LDF means log data file. This will create by default in C drive. Okay. After giving database name, click on OK. See here, database was created. To rename this database, right click on it. See here, we can rename. Sample test is there. Sample test I am renaming sample T. If I click on enter, this will get renames. If we want to delete the database, right click on this, and here you can see delete option. We can delete. See here, we can click on here on OK button. So database got deleted. In this way we can create, delete, rename the database. Click on database, click on new query. This database will create in master database that I am creating. Using queries in this main we have to create database. See, create database. Whatever database we want to give, that we can give. See, I am giving my database name as sample test. This is my database name, sample test. I am giving my database name as sample database. Write this query and click on execute. See here, command completed successfully. What is the time? This time it was successfully executed. If I refresh the database, then you can see this is sample database. How to connect to this database? Now server is connected to master database. If you see here, this is connected to master database. If I want to connect to my database, what you have to do is use this database, copy here and paste, execute this one. Here master is there earlier, now see executed. See now here sample test was connected, and see here sample test was connected. This is where we have to see our server is connected to which database. So now our server is connected to this sample database. This is what creation of database. If we want to update or rename, if we want to update or rename the database means use below queries. For that, alter database. This is my old database name. Alter database, old database name. Then write this keyword, modify name. Alter database, sample test, modify name is equals to, we have to write here. Now execute. See, query got executed. If we refresh this database, see my database name was changed. So in this mean, one way of renaming the database. If there is another way also to rename database, that is Like this we can also rename the database, that is using store procedure sp underscore rename. What is my database right now? Sample database that I am dragging here. Put comma, and what is my previous name? This is my previous database name that I want to rename once again. In this way also we can rename our database. Sp rename old database name comma new database name. If we execute this query, it is not executing, so you connect to master and then execute this one. See, sp rename db, execute. See, database name was been renamed. If you refresh this one, see, database name was renamed. If we want to drop the database, the database use below query. See, drop database this is my database now, so this I want to drop here. So if I drop like this, it dropped. If we refresh here, see, database got deleted. This is how we can delete the database using commands. Thank you for watching. If you understood this one, please like and subscribe my channel.